Hello, Ginger. Hello, Ginger.
Ayaw naman. Ayaw, oh.
He wants to come and lick us. Hey!
Oh, gusto niya ako.
Student mo kami, video.
Oh, diba?
Now he comes to me. Hi. Don't lick, no licking.
Ah, ganyan yan.
No licking.
So it's good today. Have a sun.
Yeah.
Nice.
Supply market.
Oh, you see, he just come and say hi to us.
Yeah.
He's so polite.
So I've had many people I think today because it's tomorrow it's Mother's Day. So.
Hi. Hey, Ginger. Ginger.
Qu'est-ce que tu fais, Ginger?
You don't behave.
Gusto mo kung ano.
Je sais parce que quand je vais démarrer.
Bébé.
Non, après on va se marcher, bébé. On va marcher, bébé.
Uy. Ay, yan plan mo. Doon sa loob niya. Ah, may mga kalaro na ako. Ginger. May mga kalaro na ako.
Ginger.
Umiiyak kanina kasi nakikita nagbibihis na kami. Naku, nandoon na sa may pintuan.
Oh.
Kinukuha na yung ano niya, panali niya.
So it's first time you go there?
Where?
Central de la Nature, elle, no?
Ah,
a lot of time.
Uy, tali.
C'est toi qui me l'as dit. Je pensais qu'on allait à...